Assembly video for a Cheery chair stand. We have top and bottom sides, backing boards, centre pole, wheelbases, bearings, nut and bolts, brackets and connector. Okay, we'll start to put this together for you. So I've already put the wheels onto the wheelbase. Start with the centre pole with the hole. So it goes down into the wheelbase. Tighten the screws. Put a bracket in flat side down. Nut and bolt. Just put it through the hole and secure. Top half of the pole on. Bracket. Take your second bracket, washers and bearings, drop them onto the pole so they're sitting on the nut. Bracket onto the bearings and just lock this in place here. Now we start with bottom half of the stand. Second side, put on, connect on the bottom bracket. Third side is on, lock bracket in, connect top half in, last bracket. Slides down the pole in place. This side I've actually put together already, so slide it into place. Bring your bottom bracket up, top bracket on. Slide into place, connecting the bracket. Last side. Slide into place, drop the bracket over, header cap, and just tighten in place, and there's the stand assembled.